of my back to school students, okay, because we gonna build the hype up this year on my channel. I will be letting you guys know things you need in your emergency kit for school. I wrote it on a piece of paper, and I'm just gonna tell you guys there are literally 20 things that you need in your emergency kit for school. I got the whole entire kit. This is a must watch. It's very rare you could get this type of information, okay? It's very important for back to school, you guys, so keep on watching. So the first thing that you need in your emergency kit for school is hand sanitizer, okay? Because if someone dirty touch you, I'm just kidding, nah. You need hand sanitizer because there's a lot of germs in school, at the desk, you're touching the laptops, you're touching the microphones and headphones, and the gym stuff. Oh my gosh, you need hand sanitizer because before lunch, you gotta at least wash your hands in the bathroom, but you gotta at least have hand sanitizer in general because you're touching so many things. Number 2, you need lotion, okay? Lotion. You need lotion. Okay, your hands get dry. You know, you wash your hands with that soap at school. Who can relate? Like, in the comments down below, you know how your hands start feeling real dry after you use that soap? It's kind of sketchy. What is that type of soap? I don't know. But you need lotion, okay? So you can moisturize, because it's very uncomfortable when you're at school and you have to wait like 5 more hours till you get home to have lotion where you could just carry it. You know what I mean? So number 3, you need Band-Aids. But honestly, you kind of don't, but you kind of do. That's Band-Aids for if you have a paper cut, because nobody's going to the nurse for a paper cut. Like, I've literally gotten paper cuts, had Band-Aids at school, put it on real quick, took care of it at home. You know what I mean? Like, you know, if you're a big kid now, you know, my younger viewers don't need Band-Aids. But if you're in high school and you just get a little slight paper cut, very slight, no blood, but it's like, it's uncomfortable, you want a Band-Aid, it's like, bruh. You're not about to go to the whole entire nurse's office for one Band-Aid. It's just like, what? So just come prepared. Number 4, you need tissues, because I remember one time I was on the bus when I was younger. After this happened, it was a wrap. I always had tissues. I sneezed and I didn't have a tissue and there was snot. So I was like, what do? I was on the bus. Nobody had it. We're like 5. I'm like, oh my gosh. After that, I knew I had to have tissues though at a very young age, because look, you have to be prepared, honey. You do not want to embarrass yourself now on the bus. You do not. 5, you also need a lip balm, obviously, because if your lips get dry, nobody want to have no dry lips in school, okay? Because that's not cool. Okay, you also need a lip gloss. As you guys can tell, my lip gloss is popping. My lip gloss is cool. All the boys be stopping. They chase me at their school, MAC or L'Oreal. Yep, because it's worth it. Hey, just kidding. I just took all her bars, but you know what I mean? If you know, you know. Number 7, feminine care for that time of the month. You want to be prepared if you're at that age, okay, ladies? If you're at that age, be prepared every day. Every day. Okay, you are young ladies, you're becoming adults, but you need to be prepared every day, because you do not want to have that time of the month pop up on you and you ain't ready for that time. Okay, it is not the right time. You know, you don't want to have to go to the nurse's office and get that her stuff. Just come prepared, okay? So the next thing you would need is a phone charger. I've had times where my phone was really low in school, and you know how there's outlets. Teachers have let me charge my phone in school. You know, it's modern times. You know, people, they recognize you need your cell phone. You know, it really helps you out. So always have a charger in your backpack, in your purse, and whatever you carry around for school. Next thing that you need is headphones. I know on the bus, it's always nice to listen to music, so I have some headphones. And personally, when I listen to music, I always keep one headphone out so I could be aware of my surroundings. Just as a little advice for y'all, you know, after the school bus, you know, have your headphones, but always keep one headphone out so you can hear your surroundings if you're walking home by yourself or something after school. As a little tip for y'all. Okay, now you also want to have water. I know you get thirsty in class. If you just keep a bottle of water in your backpack, it is the best decision you will ever do in your life, because I mean, some people like to go out to go to the water fountain, but it's like, why? You're gonna miss material. You want to just stay focused in your work and stuff. But just for a water, it's just not worth it, you know. So just always have a water bottle at hand, especially in the first days of school. If you have one of the schools who don't got no air conditioning, and ooh, Comment down below if your school don't got no air conditioning. And in the beginning, y'all all sweating. Like, please, especially have a bottle of water, because y'all is all going to be dehydrated at that point. Definitely. Now, you also want some snacks and candy, or some snacks, some chips, some fruit roll-ups. Anything. Okay, because you just never know. You're going to get hungry in school. You might want to have something to munch on. It was before lunch or it was after lunch, or you got hungry. And now what? They don't got no vending machines. So what you going to do? Be your own vending machine. Be your own vending machine for school. Come prepared with this emergency kit. I know you guys are loving this, so definitely subscribe for more. And yes, click to turn on my upload notifications, that little bell, that bell. You click subscribe, that bell pops up, boom, boom. Hey. Okay, so you also want a ponytail holder. Because you know how people be in school and they be like, girl, I'm the only person who ain't gonna ask you for a ponytail in school. Okay, because I can't put in a ponytail. But the people who do have that hair and they want to put up in a ponytail, come through for them. Bless their lives. If they want to have it, take out that Band-Aid. Take out that ponytail holder. Give it to your friend, okay? Your schoolmate, your classmate. They're going to be like, hey, she gave me that ponytail holder that one time. You know what? When I have cupcakes for school, I'm going to give one to her. For sure, she going to get a cupcake. Okay? Next, bobby pins. Because you never know. You got some flyaways? Boom. Put that bobby pin in. I know you've had those times. Somebody watching this video, you got to let me know if you can relate to any of these emergencies. I know you had some of these emergencies. Don't play me right now. I know you needed a bobby pin. You didn't have it. Your friend didn't have it. And the nurse is not going to have it. This is not the salon. Okay, but it's an emergency though, because I know you want to get that flyaways. Okay, you got to get them flyaways. You also would like to have a lint roller, because, oh my gosh, you get to school, you're running late, you're like, oh my gosh, I got all this lint on me and little fuzzies and dots. Like, you want to lint that off with a lint roller, girl. So definitely come prepared with like a little miniature one. Yes, those come in handy. Okay, they really do. And obviously lint roll your pants or your clothes before you leave too. But that miniature one comes in handy. And then you could also, like I said, bless your friend or your classmate with it. They're like, oh, I got some lint on me. You're like, oh, hey, I have a lint roller. Here you go. It's that easy. You will also want to have some perfume or some body mist or a rollerball perfume. Okay, because, you know, your friend might be smelling, your classmate might be smelling, your teacher might be smelling. And when you walk by, you could, I'm just kidding, no. But seriously though, if you don't want to be smelling in school, so just have your perfume ready so you can spray yourself if it's hot or whatever. Like, you know how you just, like, you won't even be smelling, but you just want to smell something that smells good. So always have it, okay? Because you got to. Now I have extra earrings, okay? Extra earrings. I've had times literally where my hoop earring fell out and I had one earring and I'm like, what? And I need my hoops, okay? So just in case your earring was to fall out, always have an extra pair of earrings. Next one, you want to have extra pencils and extra pens, because I know in school you're always losing your pencils and always losing your pens. I know y'all can relate. Comment down below. I know you losing your pens and your pencils in school, girl. Don't play me. You just had your pen. You don't know where it is. You're checking your whole entire backpack. You're checking your purse. You're like, ask your dude, you have a pencil? They're like, nah, dude. Sorry, it's my only one. And you're like, are you serious? So just look out for your own self. And have pencils and pens, okay? You also want to have mascara. I've had times in gym class, you're playing basketball. Boom! The basketball hits you in the head. You start crying. These things happen. This is real life. This is school. Like, you need to be prepared for this. You get hit with a basketball. You get hit with a football. You get hit with a baseball. You get hit with a dodgeball. What you gonna do if you start crying and your mascara comes off? You ain't gonna have no mascara for the rest of the day. And your gym class was at 8:30 a.m. Now, you ain't got no mascara because you was crying. Or because you got hit with the softball in the face. Hit your eyeball. and that eye started watering. You wasn't even crying, it just started watering. Or you get hit with a frisbee, or you get hit with anything. You can get hit in gym, bruh. You know it happens to everybody. You know that kid. Comment down below. You know in gym you saw that one person get hit in the head, man. I saw it happen about 5 times. Come on now, who knows, it could be you. Always had a mascara. Now you also can I talk? Now you also want to have to subscribe. Okay, that was a plot twist, but not for real. And turn on notifications. But you're gonna also want to have gum, because if your breath stinks, it's a wrap on all your friendships. It's a wrap on your relationships. Yeah. Nobody wants to talk to you if your breath is smelling. So always have gum just to freshen up. You know, after lunch, you're not gonna have a toothbrush or anything, so just carry some gum around. And then I would recommend a Tide to Go stick or a spot cleaner. All right. I hope this helped, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye, guys. Mwah.